Okay, so let's go ahead and do the last unboxing. Let's put this out of the way. Let's put this over here like this. Let's see what we got. Bosch tool, Memphis, Arizona. Okay. Alright, so we have here the Flexiclick 5-in-1 drill driver system, model number GSR 12 volt -140 FC B22. And let's see what we've got in the box. 265 inch-pounds, 1300 RPM, 1/4 inch chuck. Alright, got another soft bag. I think this may be my first actual Bosch tool. I do have some Bosch self-centering bits, but other than that, this is my first ever Bosch tool. Alright, what do we have here? We got our charger. Okay. Very different than these two. I mean, a lot smaller than the Milwaukee and not as versatile as the DeWalt, obviously. What do we have here? Oh, looks like this one comes with 2 batteries as well. 2 amp hour battery, similar to Milwaukee stem battery. Very similar. Not the same, but similar. Okay. So let's pull this up out of here. 2 batteries. Feels, I don't know. I definitely like the DeWalt feeling over all of them, but this is okay. I can work with it. Okay, slides out. Plastic chuck. 2 settings, forward, reverse. There's a light. This one has the light down on the bottom. And this one has a light there. In the bag. Alright, let's slide this to the side. Let's see what else we got in here. Alright, so we've got our offset attachment. It's got a lot more connections, it looks like. Well, maybe not. And then the DeWalt. Next, we got a right angle attachment. Good weight to it. Flexiclick is what it's called. And wow, that's different. Okay, I see how you can actually take that off. The brushed motor. 3-year warranty. It did come with 2 bits. Warranty card, directions. Okay. This is the most chintzy of all the bags. I feel like the charger is pretty chintzy as well. Let's try. Let's try this right along here. Now I do like this. Look at that, how that doesn't come off, but it actually turns around. I like that. And you can put this in here. That's pretty cool. This was twist, not pull. Interesting. I like this. I mean, it's different. It's not the same, obviously, as the other two. But being a tool person, I actually don't mind it. Don't mind it at all. Feeling the different grips, they do feel different, you know. It's kind of interesting how when you hold a different tool, you recognize, you know, what doesn't feel quite so great about a tool. This one initially felt kind of bulky and more chunky than this one, but then I like this kind of flush, flat part in the front. It feels a little bit more comfortable than this here. This is kind of like more of a sharp tapered. But before I held this one, I never had a problem with this one. And I still don't feel like I have a problem. But this one here, I can grab and handle it like this. Whereas this one, you know, it's just strictly D-handle, which is similar to this one. Now this one right here is the most comfortable grip, I have to admit, out of the three. But this is not too bad. Not bad. So there we go. We've got 3 different drills and the attachments. So the DeWalt only comes with 1 battery in the 3. And then we got the Bosch here. Alright, so there's that. And that's our Bosch unboxing.